Okay, let's crash those cars and hit those bowling pins. Are you ready, Mommy?
Ready?
Marcel, what? Hey, Markslin. Yeah. Nice, eh? Yeah, boy. Nice one. Thank you, Markslin. Yeah, nice Markslin, oh. La Ferrari, a yellow sports car. Yeah. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Nice, Markslin. Mommy, get some bowling pins. Get five bowling pins. Yeah. Yeah. It's an RC too, you know? It's an RC. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Monster Jeep. Awesome! Hey, Markslin. Ooh, there's a ramp. Okay, Mommy, let it jump. Okay, have it jump, Mommy. Go! What the? Go! I will do it. I will do it. Okay. Yeah! One more, Mommy. Ready?
Ready?
Go!
Whoa.
One more. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah! Ready?
Ready?
Yeah! Oh, the joystick, mommy. It only goes up and down.
Yeah.
It has no left/right function. Just up and down. So when you steer it, mommy, you do it like this. Like I said, it has no left/right function. You steer it like that. Wow! A monster Jeep! A 4x4 Jeep Wrangler RC by New Bright. Oh yeah. Well, this is something special because it has 4 motors. Yep, all-wheel drive, spinning action 360. Nice. Okay, powered by lithium-ion battery. 12.8 volts. Okay, it's ready to run. Nice. A Jeep Wrangler 4x4. Okay. 4 motors, all-wheel drive. Okay. Hey, Markslin. I know, yeah. A Jeep Wrangler RC. Yeah. What are you playing, boy? Take and play trains? Yeah? Hey, Markslin. Are you ready, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
Okay, unbox the Jeep. Unbox it. What, Markslin? What? Okay, Mommy's doing it. Look how big the box is. It's so big. It's a big, big box, hey? Okay, pull it out. Ow! Okay. It's so big, huh, Markslin? The Jeep is so big. Yeah. Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
It is big. Nice, hey, Markslin? It's a big Jeep. Markslin, 1, 2, cheese! 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 One more, Markslin, cheese! Got it, got it, got it. Got it, boy. Mommy's gonna put the batteries. 2 AA batteries for the controller. Yeah, boy, Markslin, oh. Yeah, Jeep. What, boy? That's the antenna. Yeah, the antenna. Don't run over Percy. Don't run him over. And this is the charger. Beep beep. Beep beep Jeep Wrangler. Beep beep. Beep beep. He does like it. Markslen likes it. Huh. Oh, okay. Okay, put it, boy. Mommy, put the battery. Let's play it. Oh, he knows where to put it. Smart. Smart toddler. See? He knows, Mommy. He wants to do it himself. Okay, switch it on, Mommy. Did you switch it on? Yeah. Okay, play it, boy. Oh. He doesn't like it. He just wants to push it. No more, no more, boy.
No more. Come on, no more, no more. Oh. Come on, baby.
He's scared of it. It's okay, boy. It's okay.
Where's Percy, my
It's
friend?
off. It's off.
Where's Percy? Come on. Where's Percy? It's okay. Hold this now.
No, he doesn't like it, Mommy. He just wants to push it. He's scared of it when it runs. Okay, Mommy, he's just gonna watch us.
Okay.
Okay. You're good there, Markslen? You're good? Okay, just watch. Ready, Mommy?
Ready?
Okay, let's go for a test drive. Go!
Wow.
Yeah! That's awesome, right?
Wow.
Spinning 360. Yeah. 4 motors, Mommy. 4 motors. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, stop, Mommy. Stop. It has 4 motors. 1 motor for each wheel. So it's cool, huh? It moves like a tank. Hi. How are you, Mommy?
Good.
All right. The kids are enjoying the Jeep. Right, Maya?